Hello, my name is Sandi Muhammad Fikri Mikail. Assignment Day 2. Cooking pasta with Arduino. Cooking pasta on a stove is common in many kitchens, but, but what might be missed is the environmental impact associated with this practice. While one might think that cooking pasta is a relatively harmless process, the use of gas or even electric and induction past stove for cooking can contribute significantly to CO2 emission into the atmosphere. This article highlights the importance of considering environmental impact of cooking pasta with gas and suggests an alternative solution to reduce CO2 emission. Passive cooking. Passive cooking is a technique that has been around since the mid 19th century, 19th century, and that save energy and reduce CO2 emission by as much as 80%. This methodology, also known as residual steam cooking or cooking with residual heat, is a method by which food is cooked using residual heat inside a covered pot or vessel. It is most often applied to cooking pasta. In specific case of cooking pasta off the heat and with the lid on, you bring the water to a boil. At this point, the pasta is added and the flame is turned off after a couple of minutes, keeping the lid on the pot. The pasta continues to cook due to the heat accumulate and retained inside the pot without further expenditure of gas or electricity. This method of cooking saves energy as residual heat is used instead of keeping the flame on for the entire cooking time. In addition, passive cooking succeeds in preserving the organoleptic properties of food, maintaining texture and flavor. It is important to note, to note that passive cooking requires the correct amount of initial water and adequate cooking time to ensure that the pasta cooks optimally and evenly. Barilla's proposed method involves building the pasta cooked in hot water after only 2 minutes of boiling on the stove, saving the valuable energy for the remaining cooking time. Barilla provides very detailed instruction and has prepared a complete table of cooking times depending on the pasta format to help users achieve optimal results. The Italian company has put out its own smart timer device, the passive cooker. The passive cooker The passive cooker consists of temperature sensor of an Arduino 33 BLE board programmed via Arduino IDE 2.0 and placed in 3D printed 100% biodegradable house. The system is connected to the decade-free mobile phone app to know when it is time to pour the pasta into the boiling water, and when the when to turn off the stove. The passive cooker is a smart object built by assembling a number of elements, a 3D printed case with 100% biodegradable filament, environmentally free, and 3 batteries, a a temperature sensor, and an Arduino board. The device works by connecting to a dedicated mobile application. Terima kasih.